what's up, guys? Again. Shut up. Today, I really don't know what I'm going to do. Colton, can you tell me what I need to do for today's video? What? I need to shut up those birds? Okay, where's a rock or something? I really need. Where's a rock? I'm sorry I have to do some footage, guys, but I don't want to end the video. I've tried making videos so many times. Something. Two old people just walked by. Okay. Where's a nice looking twig since we don't have any rocks in the backyard? I tried to record this once already. Did the exact same thing. I swear to God, if I find those birds' nest, I'm not gonna say. I'm not gonna say. Now, are there birds? So, basically. You gonna shut up, birds? Okay, good. Good. Okay, so I'm just gonna talk over them. My dad just went inside. Perfect. Anyways, guys, I swear to God, once I find one bird's nest, I'm going to knock it down. I have eggs inside. I'll take it inside the house. I'll take the eggs. hatch of little birds. Dig up some worms for them. Just like I used to have pet worms, actually. See, I used to dig in my backyard, like over in this area right here, and I found worms. So I wasn't afraid. I wasn't completely grossed out to touch worms at the time. So, you know, I had like an Easter egg laying around, so I just put some grass and dirt into it. Found a few worms, stuck them in there, had a hole so they could breathe. Wait, do worms breathe? I don't know. Yeah. Like if they do breathe. Because if worms do breathe, it'd actually be super cool. How would they breathe? So one day they went like missing, and I left it open that day. And there were tons of birds around my house. So I think that birds took them. But you guys want to know the weird thing? All of them were gone, and I had like 10. I had like 10 of them. So whichever bird ate that is really gonna pay for it. And if birds that sound like they're laughing at me, oh, I'm not gonna hatch their eggs. Once they're hatched, I'm still kind of wondering though. Was that really a smart move? I mean, I could have saved a couple worms. Like, I could saved a couple worms instead. Let those like, I think I actually had 8 though. Yeah, I would find a lot of worms in my yard. Yeah, look at my mom's garden. Bet you there's not one. Her garden is wood chips, dude. Ah, that hurt. Okay. Karma, I understand. But why the foot? It's been happening all the time. So basically, Hershey, what are you sniffing? You're so weird, dog. Please, Karma. So close. I only felt it a little bit that time. Okay. Thank God. Karma chose. Ow. God dang it. Okay. Guess she just wanted me to not expect him. Or Karma said he, you know, now I can't, what? Yeah, I should assume Karma's a girl, because, yeah. So men still think women can't be that bad. Colton, what did I tell you about digging holes? That's a bad boy. Colton, don't make me come over there. I told you about digging holes. That's bad boy behavior. And you don't want to be a bad boy. Guess we'll just put him in his kennel. What did you guys think? Colton! What's Hey! Let go of that feather. I'm running after my puppy right now. Okay, he let go. Hershey, no. You're teaching your son bad habits. Get him. No. You cannot have that feather. Do you understand me? I just pointed the index finger at him. Oh, yeah, dogs don't like that. Come on, go. Hey, don't knock him down. Don't know why. So tired. Oh, the sun. But Hershey, don't knock him down on the cement. That's not nice. Finally, the bird stopped. Didn't even notice. Yeah, there are birds that sound like they're laughing, Dad. Anyways, Dad, remember that prank video I did with you?
What?
Remember that prank video that you let me do?
Yeah.
Well,
I think two enough.
guys, I want you to like this video.
Get a picture of digging.
No, I'm recording a video. Guys, I want you to thank this guy right here, because he let me do that prank.
Good
If
prank,
you want
huh?
to, he would probably tell my mom.